Are you looking for sponsored job opportunities? This is very important. In this video, I will show you how to check which companies have had their sponsorship license revoked. Therefore, they cannot sponsor international workers. And also, which companies have newly been approved to sponsor international workers. Let's get into this. To begin with, go to Google or use your search engine and type Daily Licenses Checker. Click on the link, the one that shows licensesponsorsuk.com. Yes, you are on the official website. You can see every single day there are over 30 companies that are issued license to sponsor international workers. And also there are over 20 companies every single day whose licenses are revoked, means that they cannot sponsor international workers. You can also see the date and time a company was issued the license to sponsor workers, and also when a company's license was revoked. You can use Ctrl F or Command F depending on the laptop you're using to find out when a company's license was issued or when a company's license was revoked, if you have an idea about that. And I would advise you to apply for companies that had newly gotten their license, because there is a better chance of they sponsoring your visa. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Push it.